Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Credit Karma account. So if you want to create a Credit Karma account, first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, search for Credit Karma sign up. After searching for Credit Karma sign up, you can find register over here. Just tap on that link, and after tapping on that link, it will take you to a page where you should enter the details to create an account. Now you have to enter your first name, your last name, and then enter what is the primary reason for you to join Credit Karma. And after entering those details, just tap on continue. Now you have to enter your street address, city, state, and following information. And after entering these details, just tap on continue. And now you have to enter a social security number, which is a 4-digit code. You can choose any 4-digit code you like. And after choosing a code, now you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering your date of birth, just tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, it will ask you if you agree with the terms and conditions. So if you agree with the terms and conditions, just check this option that I understand and agree. And after tapping on there, just tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, you will successfully create your Credit Karma account. So this is how you can create your Credit Karma account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.